Hello everyone and welcome back to Learning to Know. In this video we are going to learn some basic commands of Linux operating system. The commands are PWD, Mkdir, ls, cd and clear. For practical uses, let's go to the command prompt or the terminal of Linux. So this is the terminal, and here if you write pwd and hit enter, it will show you a path which is your present work directory, and pwd stands for print working directory. By default, when we log into our Linux system, our current working directory is set to home user. For more details, here you can see this is user and this is home. So in home directory you will get user directory, which is our default present work directory. If you are using the first time, then you will see 7 folders which are hidden. The hidden folders or files starts with dot symbol. So if you open your Ubuntu folder, you'll see here have the home directory. If you double click here, this is the user directory. If you double click here, you'll see they have 6 files and 1 folder or directory. So these are hidden. These are starts with dot symbol. Next command is mkdir, which is used for make new directories. For example, if you write here mkdir and give a name learning and hit enter, and if you go to the user interface and here if you refresh, you will see a new directory which is named by learning. These are hidden and this is not hidden. You can also write like this mkdir file 1, file 2, file 3. This command will create 3 files named file 1, file 2 and file 3. So if you hit enter and check here, refresh, you'll see there have new 3 directories, which is file 1, file 2 and file 3. The next command is ls. So what is ls? If you write here ls and hit enter, it will show you the files which are not hidden. If you see here, these 4 folders are not hidden here. So using this command, you will see the folders which are not hidden. If you want to see all the folders or files which are hidden or not hidden, then what you have to do is you have to write ls space a and hit enter. These are all the folders which are containing in user directory, and here this is not clear, so for clear view you have to write ls -1 as a and hit enter. What it will do, it will print all the folder and files in every particular row. The next command is cd, that means change directory. These are our default folder whose are hidden, and I want to create this learn folder, and in this learn folder I want to create 2 folders named A and B. In A folder I want to create A1 and A2 folder. For B folder I want to create B1 folder. So for this I have to write here mkdir learn, hit enter, check this is working or not. Here this is our created folder, and if you want to go that folder, that means if you want to change the path or change the directory, then you have to write cd learn. If you hit enter, you'll see the directory is now changed. And for if you write pwd, hit enter, you'll see the present work directory is now changed to home user learn. So here I have to create two folders using mkdir, folder A and folder B. Hit enter. If you check using ls, you'll see you have created two folders named A and B, and I want to create two folders into A folder, so change the directory to A folder, so cd A. Now my present work directory is home user learn A. Here I want to create two folders named A1 and A2. Hit enter. Check using ls. You can see there have two folders, A1 and A2. And now here is the turning point. If you want to go back to the previous folder, then what will you do? That means you want to go back to learn folder, then you have to do is use cd // and hit enter. Now you are in back folder. In this scenario, you can see I created two folders in A folder or A directory. So I want to go back to the learn folder. For this, I used cd space // Using this command, I turn back to learn directory. So here I want to go to now the B directory. For this I have to write cd B. And remember, if you write small letter b, it will not work because this is case sensitive. So I have to write this, hit enter. Now my present work directory is learn /b, and here I want to create a directory mkdir b1 and hit enter. We check ls. In B folder I have created b1. My present work directory is now home user learn B. That means this is now my present work directory. If I want to go back to the learn folder, then I have to just write cd space // And what if I want to go directly to the A1 folder, like here? Then what I have to do is, first we have to write cd, that means change directory. Then if you write // then it indicates the learn directory. Then what I have to do, I have to go to directory A. So for this I have to write /a. Then what I have to do, I have to go to A1 folder. So for this I have to write / and A1. So using this command, if you hit enter, the directory will directly change to A1. So if you write PWD, hit enter, you will see your present work directory is now home user learn A1. So this is your present work directory now. Make a practice again. I want to change directory from A1 to B1. So for this, what I have to do, I have to back to the A folder, then again back to the learn folder, then I can go to B, then B1. So for this I have to write the command cd change directory to back to A. For this I have to write double dot forward slash, again go back to learn. For this I have to again write double dot forward slash. Then from here I have to write B. So write B forward slash. Then I have to write B1. So if you write B1 and hit enter, you will see the working directory has been changed to B1. And the last command is clear. If you write this command and hit enter, it will clear the whole console or whole terminal. So this is for today. In next video I will come with more commands that can improve your skills on Linux operating system. So for today, Allah Hafiz.